Morning, cat. Not seen you for a while, mate. You're so stubborn. I hope you're not catching the little robins, Kit Kat. Can't do that. You can only catch the mice and the rats. Leave the birdies alone. Well, I'm talking to you, mister. Don't you smile? So nice though, aren't you? You are so nice. Where you been? Oh, don't go! Rubbish fucker you. Going in the school. You're not allowed in there. They'll chase you out. Do you want me to go?